This is a video on percentage. The question states that the successive discounts of 6%, 10%, 15% are equal to a single discount of, and we have 5 options over here. Now, in some questions we can tell the answer just by looking at the options, but that's not the case here, because as you can see, the 5 options are close to each other. They vary from a range of 25% to 35%. So we can't tell the answer by looking at the options. Now, let's look at the percentages given. We have 6%, 10%, 15%. So they're asking for the total discount. Like, if we combine these 3 discounts, what is the single total discount that we get? Now, I'm going to try a method that we usually try, which is multiplying these 3 percentages. So 6% can be written as 0.06 into 0.1 into 0.15. Let's just try this method and see. Now, I'm just doing some quick maths here. 6 into 15 into 1. I'm multiplying the 3 of them. Give 90. Now for the decimal places. This is actually 90 point. So the decimal place is here now. This is not 6. This is 0.06. So it has to go back by 2. This is 0.15. So another 2. This is 0.1, which is, so the decimal point is actually here, and we get this number. So how do we proceed from here? We can see that it has become too complicated. So let's try another method. Now let's keep the original price as X, whatever it is. Without the discount, the price is X. Then we have a discount of 6%. That means the price has reduced from 100% to 94%. So it can be X into 0.94. And then there's a further discount of 10%. So now, if it's a discount of 10%, then it's actually 90% of this whole thing. So that will be 0.9. And then if a discount of 15%, 15% discount means it's actually 85% of the whole price. So we have 0.85. So let's try in this method instead. Now we have to do the mental math, the manual math. 94 into 9 into 85. I'm going to do it in the same manner as this. First I'll multiply these 3 numbers. Multiplying this and this, I get 7990, which after adding all the decimal points, it will become 0.7990. And then multiplying this, I will get 71910, which will give 71910. Now, how I have arrived these 2 answers is by this method. I'll first multiply these 3 and then look at the movement of the decimal places, and I will apply them to the answer accordingly. So this can be written as 71.91%. So this is the price percentage. To find the discount, we take 100% minus 71.91, which will give 28.10. Now the answer has 28.09, which is close to this. It's closer than any other value, and this slight difference is probably caused due to the manual calculation, but it's correct. So this is the answer.